wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say?
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Fave, and if you're not new here, hi, what's up? Let's jump into today's video. We'll be partnering with the lovely Reshine Hair, as you've already seen from the title, and we'll be doing this quick and easy lace closure glueless install. This wig is their loose deep wave wig. It was a pre-cut glueless dome cap lace wig, and it is in 28 inches, loose deep wave, 180 density. And let me tell you something, this wig is thick, super thick for 180 density. Like, I definitely am getting that fullness. The waves are nice and big, and I am living for this hairstyle. So if you would like to go ahead and shop this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And let's jump into today's video so I can show you how to install your super beginner friendly pre-plucked, pre-cut lace closure unit from Reshine Hair.
With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, slide, slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
400. I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ace we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. You should slide with me cause you be tripping when you miss me. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me 150. listen. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, lot. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get up though. And I know you want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we a chill with Noel and party, a dance and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird verse on. Back it up high, you look like your body drive me. Oh God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 Now you want to run like a nothing. I think that's for me and have my hips stiff. Yeah, no fair, no cares. Because who cares? Time she said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah, I see. Why your hearts I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have burned you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Dance and tease me.
No, like, this is insane. Where is the lace? Where's the lace? Can you see the lace? Because I can't see the lace. Okay everyone, so this is the final look and I am loving this lace. So Reshine always comes through with good lace. Like, their lace is top tier, super thin, super easy to work with, super beginner friendly. And the fact that it was already pre-cut was just like, okay, where are they going with this? But then when I put it on after tinting, I was like, hold on, this might be a game changer, because I'm not seeing any lace, everything is melted, and I'm like really up close to the mirror I'm working with so I could do my hairstyle, and I'm like, why can't I see any lace? Like, this is crazy. And the wig is glueless, so it's not like we melted the lace in with any type of lace glue, none of that. Like, this is insane and I'm loving it. So if you would like to get your hands on one of these pre-cut lace closure units, definitely go ahead and check it out, because it is definitely something you want to invest in. This texture is in their loose deep wave and it is a 28-inch 180 density unit and I'm just living for it. So if you'd like to purchase this unit, I would highly recommend. Don't forget to check the links in the description box, and without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.